Hi everyone, I'm Scott Neal, owner of Scott Neal Real Estate. I am a Dallas-Fort Worth real estate expert, and I'm here to give you an update for the first quarter of 2019. So come right back and I'll give you those numbers. Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. I'm here to give you a quarterly market update on what is happening in the real estate market in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'm just gonna jump right into it, try to keep this short for you, but of course, if you have any questions on buying or selling real estate in the DFW area, please give us a call. We'd love to talk with you about how the market is doing and how that's going to impact your particular scenario. So let's just jump right into these numbers. First thing everybody always wants to know about, what are prices doing? Well, right now in DFW, the median home price is $258,000. And that's up 3.6% from this time last year. And if you've been watching these market updates over the last couple of years, you'll see that that appreciation rate has really slowed down. For the past several years, since 2012, we've seen double-digit price appreciation year over year, and that is really starting to change. But don't worry, sellers, it's still a good time to sell. Don't worry, buyers, the price is still going up, so your investment is pretty secure. How about days on market? Now, this is important to both sellers and buyers. Sellers, you want to know what the days on market is so that you can have reasonable expectations of how long it's going to take for your home to sell. Buyers, you want to have reasonable expectations on how quickly you need to move on properties that you like out there in the marketplace. And currently, that average home sale days on market is 47 days. And that's up 9.3% from this time last year. So as the market starts to slow down, we're starting to see properties sit on the market for a little bit longer. 47 days, that's not an eternity. I remember back in 2010, 2011, it was taking 90 to 100 days on average to get properties sold. And that's just kind of what we had to do, was wait around for them to get sold. How about the amount of activity that's out there in the market? Over the last 12 months, there has been 112,508 residential home sales in the DFW area, and that's down 2.6%. So even though sales are down a little bit, they're not drastically down. The market's still moving pretty well. And then of course, the last number I want to share with you is how much inventory there is in the market. This is the key economic indicator that us real estate professionals look at to let us know what kind of market we're in. We're still in a strong seller's market. We've got 3.2 months worth of inventory. However, here's the big change. That's up 14.3% from this time last year. So last year and the previous years before that, we were under 3 months worth of inventory. So we are really starting to see that level of inventory creep up, and sellers, be watching for that. I know a lot of you who watch our videos want to time the market, and the best time that there is for you to be a seller is when the inventory level is very, very low. The best time it is for you to be buying a home is when the inventory is very, very high. But as long as we're under about 4 months worth of inventory, we're gonna continue to see price appreciation. So sellers, if you've been timing the market and you'd like to see what's gonna be happening with your home price, just watch what the level of inventory is doing. And having 3.2 months worth of inventory means we're still in a seller's market. So be aware of that. Something else that you might want to know, interest rates are still pretty low right now. Fed's been doing some weird things. Interest rates are still really low. When I got into the business, 2008, 2009, interest rates were around 6%. Some of you who are watching our videos, you were back buying homes in the 80s, you know that your mortgage rates got up to 10, even 15, 18% sometimes. Which is just ludicrous by today's standards, but still historically we've got very low interest rates. You can get a mortgage today for 4.5%, 5%. You're still getting a pretty good deal as far as the historical average goes. Again, if you have any questions about buying or selling real estate in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, give us a call here at our office. We would love to help you out. visit our website, mydallashomefinder.com. Reach out to us in any way that you can, and we would love to give you that expert advice. Thank you, happy selling, and have a great summer.